Hello smart students. Now look at this problem. Can you solve this? Solve for p if 6 raised to the power of p minus 3 raised to the power of p equals to 27. Alright, now let's do it together. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to express this 27 as 9 times 3. Now let's quickly do that. We have 6 raised to the power of p minus 3 raised to the power of p equals to 9 times 3. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do here is this 9, I'm going to express it in terms of 6 and 3. So if I'm expressing that in terms of 6 and 3, so 9 will be what? That will be 6 plus 3. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing here for 3. So 3 is going to be 6 minus 3. Okay, so now this right hand side now turns to 6 raised to the power of p minus 3 raised to the power of p equals to 6 plus 3 times 6 minus 3. Okay, now this right hand side is the product of difference of two squares. Squares of 6 and 3. Okay, difference of two squares. So it's going to be the result of difference of two squares. So that means the right hand side turns to 6 raised to the power of 2 minus 3 raised to the power of 2. Now when you simplify this, or you simplify this, you have what we have here. Okay, so now as you can see now that this base here is the same thing as what we have here. This 6, this 6, this is 3, and this is 3. Now that implies that p equals to 2. So therefore p equals to 2. And that is the answer. Thanks for watching.